let's move on to another important story. In a large deal in the telecom infra space, Brookfield's Business Trust has acquired ATC's telecom tower portfolio for a whopping $2.5 billion. Nisha, tell us more about this.
That's a large transaction coming in the telecom tower space. And also, Pavitra, this makes Brookfield the biggest telecom tower company in India. It has pipped Indus Towers in becoming the largest telecom tower company in the country after the ATC deal. Let's look at the deal dynamics. $2.5 billion of total deal size, which includes $2 billion of enterprise valuation. And now looking at the peer comparison, 252,000 towers, that is now Brookfield's entire portfolio after this transaction, compared to Indus Towers, 204,000. So that makes it a big deal. When we talk about Brookfield's data infrastructure trust, so it is an InvIT play of Brookfield, which is the prime acquirer of the ATC portfolio, which, remember, already has two more acquisitions which were done in the past. We'll talk about it in a bit. But first, to the peer comparison in terms of the valuations, it is sold cheaper than what Indus Towers is trading at in terms of valuations. And also the deal is expected to be completed in the second half of 2024. Now, if we really look at the overall expectation from Brookfield, they are looking at a pan-India and all kind of product touch points for the telecom infrastructure services. And that's what they are building and continue to build in the country. And also remember that Brookfield already has $25 billion of portfolio in the country across several of its verticals. But this one comes as a big one because of the third acquisition that Brookfield InvIT has made in the telecom tower space. So it becomes the largest one. Also, I would like to add one important bit is that, Pavitra, both REITs as well as InvITs have come to an inflection point in the country. They started off so slow. It has been almost a decade of this journey. And now, after the Embassy REIT deal and now this one, both REITs and InvITs have been coming to the next level of growth.
Oh, absolutely. And big deal, like you were mentioning this one as well. Nisha, thanks a lot for bringing us all of those details. We do need to get into a short break now, but as we do that, the union budget is less than 30 days away. So what is your wish list from the finance minister? We present to you the CNBC-TV18